In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out from Microsoft Teams. If you're using Microsoft Teams in your browser and you want to log out of your account, this is a very quick process. Signing out can be useful if you're on a shared computer, if you want to switch accounts, or if you simply want to make sure no one else can access your Teams messages and files after you're done. To begin, go to Microsoft Teams. Once the site has loaded, make sure you're on the main Teams page and that your account is already signed in. If you're using the web version, everything you need will be available directly from the top area of the screen. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Teams window. You'll see your avatar there. This may appear as your profile picture, or it might just show your initials if no photo has been added to the account. Click that avatar to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to account-related options, including the setting you need to log out. After the menu opens, look for the Sign Out option and click on it. As soon as you do that, Microsoft Teams will log you out of the current session. In most cases, you'll be taken back to a sign-in screen or a landing page where you can log in again with the same account or choose a different one. That's all there is to it. The process is simple, but it's an important habit, especially if you're using a public or shared device. Signing out helps protect your chats, meeting details, and any work-related information connected to your Teams account. If you click your avatar and don't immediately see the option, give the menu a second to fully load and check the account menu carefully. Also, keep in mind that signing out of Teams in a browser signs you out of that Teams session, but depending on your browser and Microsoft account settings, you may still appear signed in to other Microsoft services unless you sign out there as well. So again, the process is straightforward. Open Microsoft Teams, click your avatar in the top right corner, and then click Sign Out. Once you've done that, your account session will be closed. And that's how to sign out from Microsoft Teams.